How many of you are suffering with this hot summer heat like I am? If so, I think I got the right recipe for you. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how to make this quick and easy Oreo pie cake. Super easy to make, and I know you guys will enjoy it. Perfect time for the summer. So if you enjoy quick and easy recipes, please hit a like down below, and don't forget to subscribe and join the family. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So the first thing we're going to do is pour in our heavy whipping cream, and I will have the full recipe listed down below so you can follow along. Next, we'll be adding our vanilla extract. And now we're just going to mix on medium-high until we get nice stiff peaks. Once your stiff peaks forms, it should look something like this. Now carefully, we're going to go ahead and mix some sweetened condensed milk, and you're going to use an entire can, and we're just going to fold this in. So off camera, I went ahead and put some Oreos in the food processor and blended some up, and then I took half of the Oreos and I crushed it up with my hands so that way we can have those thicker pieces. And you're just going to add it to your ice cream, and we're going to just fold it in. So I took another thing of Oreos and I grinded it up in my food processor, and then I'm just going to put a couple of tablespoons of melted butter, just enough to get that sand-like consistency. Now we're just going to dump our mix into our pan. And with our hands, we're just going to flatten it out to the bottom, making sure it's nice and even. Now we're going to take our ice cream mix and we're going to just fill up our pie crust. Now with our spatula, we're going to just smooth it down till we get a nice even layer. Now we're just going to place our pie inside of the freezer, and it's best to do it overnight, but with the magic of YouTube, you're able to see it right away. So this is the next morning. I took it out of the freezer. It's nice and firm. And right here, I'm just going to spread some chocolate on top, because why not? Next, we're going to add some homemade whipped cream. Now we're just going to top it off with some Oreo pieces and also some chocolate pieces. And this part is optional, but I know my kids love Oreos, so I just decided to add some extra. Lastly, we'll be adding a little more drizzle on top. And just like that, look at our pie. This came out so good, you guys. If you're ever on a pinch and it's hot and you want something nice and cool to try, this is definitely a recipe for you. I hope you guys enjoyed the recipe. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Until the next video, I hope you guys stay blessed out there, and peace.